Welcome to Basics and Beyond for the future. Today we will cover SSC JEE syllabus for mechanical for paper 1 part C and paper 2. In this exam you will see the following subjects: theory of machine and machine design, engineering mechanics and strength of materials, thermodynamics, thermal engineering and IC engine, fluid mechanics, engineering materials and production engineering. Let us have a look in depth the syllabus with regard to different subjects and their respective weightage. As you can see here, you will find that in theory of machine and machine design, the approximate weightage is of 8 to 12 marks in paper 1 and 60 marks in paper 2. It is key to note here that the different subjects, they carry equivalent marks, that is 60 marks in paper 2. Now, in theory of machine and machine design, the following are the topics that one need to cover comprehensively: concept of simple machine and 4-bar linkage and link motion, flywheels and governors, power transmission by flat belts and V-belts, gears and gear trains, cams, clutches, bearings, collars and pivots. These are the topics that you need to cover. For the subject of engineering mechanics and strength of material, the approximate weightage is of 12 to 15 marks in paper 1 and 60 marks in paper 2. The topics to cover are equilibrium of forces, laws of motion and friction. Along with that, concept of stress and strain, elastic limit, elastic constants, bending moment and shear force diagram, stress in composite bars, torsion of circular shafts, buckling of columns, covering Euler's and Rankine theories, and thin-walled pressure vessels. In the next subject, that is thermodynamics, the approximate weightage is of 20 to 25 marks in paper 1 and 60 marks in paper 2. It is very much evident that the thermodynamics carry approximately 20 to 25% marks in paper 1. So, one need to cover it very rigorously. The following topics: properties of pure substances, first law of thermodynamics, first law for steady flow processes, second law of thermodynamics, and entropy. Further moving, the next subject that one need to cover is thermal engineering and IC engine. The approximate weightage is of 20 to 25 marks, again as in thermodynamics in paper 1 and 60 marks in paper 2. Topics to be covered are air standard cycles for IC engines, IC engine performance, combustion, cooling and lubrication, simple Rankine cycle, boilers, mounting and accessories, refrigeration cycles, air compressors and their cycles, and nozzles and steam turbines. In the next subject, that is fluid mechanics, the approximate weightage is 25 to 28 marks in paper 1 and 60 marks again in paper 2. The topics to be covered are different types of fluids and different types of flows. Fluid statics, that is pressure at a point. Along with that, fluid kinematics, dynamics of ideal fluids containing Bernoulli equation, Venturi meter, Pitot tube, orifice meter, hydraulic turbines and centrifugal pumps. Hydraulic turbines and centrifugal pumps, they are of much more importance in comparison to other topics in fluid mechanics. And the last subject that one need to cover in fluid mechanics is the engineering materials and production engineering. The approximate weightage in paper 1, keeping in mind the previous few years examination, is 5 to 7 marks in paper 1 and 60 marks in paper 2. The topics to be covered are classification of steels and their heat treatment, welding, foundry and casting, machining, various manufacturing processes. Thank you for watching the video.